Hello guys, this is the Veronica Vanity and I am back with another video. It's been a little chaotic still, trying to get used to everything and done with everything. It's like I keep going through something one after another. Either my editor doesn't work or God, the camera cuts off, or I just work with me. I'm gonna get better quality stuff as I go along, and like the best thing I have so far is my tripod. But as you can see, I did something fun today. Okay, a couple days ago, Spencer decided to surprise me. Let me grab it. Babe decided to surprise me. Well, the surprise is just tell me I can go to Ulta. So, as you always know, ladies, you know that's a surprise. And so I decided to get my baby. We're gonna go into the Jaclyn Hill Saga after this, but first I wanted to review this beautiful creature. And as you can see by my eyes, I played with it. I played with it a lot. This baby, I haven't ever really been a fan of, this is the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette, but I've never really been a fan of Too Faced palettes. I'll just be honest. Like their mascara, like their highlighters and everything, but I've never really been a fan. Like none of their palettes ever jumped out at me and I said, oh, you know, I'm gonna buy that, until I seen this. First off, just the packaging alone is everything. And then you open it and look at that. And on my eyes, I am actually wearing chocolate gold dripping diamonds and a little bit of the Descent, and I highlighted with So Bougie, and I'm wearing a little bit of the money bags at the bottom, so come in for you so you can see. I just went crazy and I wanted to wear as many colors as I possibly could in one look. Let me swatch some of them for you. Look at dripping diamonds. Oh, I'm not even a silver person, but that is. And then which one? This is gold dipped. Look at that. I'm not wearing that though, because I was just in love with this chocolate yellow gold. Look at that. Look, the pigment is insane on all of these, except for New Money, which I'm a little mad about. The pigment is not as bright as I would want it to be, but I'm still gonna use it. And these colors right here all kind of, when you swatch them, they all kind of favor each other. But other than that, I love this palette. It was with tax $53, but I love it. I do. I love it. This is gonna be my shimmer palette. I don't know, would I buy it again? I would have to think about that. We'll see when it runs out. Hopefully I'll keep it to like, at least for the whole year, it's gonna be my go-to for my shimmers. Look at those swatches again. Oh, they can match my nails. And I just want to talk about really quick on on my lips. My mom got me this. It is a double-sided e.l.f. lipstick. And, oh, getting glitter all over it. One side is for night, and the other side is for day. The brighter red, which is called Red Hot, is the day side. That's what I'm actually wearing right now. I love it. I'm wearing a little bit of my Night Moth MAC lip liner, and this is the night side. Which I'll swatch it so you can see. That is really pretty. It's really deep. I love deep rouges. It's that red rouge. I just had to talk about that. It's double-sided. She actually got it on sale. I think it was like $150 because it was on sale at Walmart. If you're in Houston, the Walmart on Kirkwood is having a sale on all of their e.l.f. products. So I'm a very happy girl. And my lashes. I just want to talk about my lashes. These are dollar store lashes. Usually I'm a little bougie when it comes to stuff like that. Like, get it from the dollar store. Girl, look. So if you go to King Dollar, that's where I got them from, on Richmond. These are the 055s in these. I get them all in black. And I actually have another pair. The 990s. I can't wait to wear these, and usually when I really want to use something, I wait so fucking long to use it. But I love those. I'm going to use these a couple times. Okay. So now we can get on to what really needs to be addressed. I'm about to give up on this Jaclyn Hill palette. Okay, I'm going to tell us a little quick story about me and this goddamn Jaclyn Hill palette. The night that it was going to be released, the day it was going to be released, I sat on my phone waiting, you know, for it to drop. Had my card ready, everything ready. Morphe basically was fucking up. Like, the site was basically overcrowded and shutting down. I couldn't get to it, okay? So, wait a couple months. It relaunches. It sells out. First off, people who buy more than one, fuck you. Because you shouldn't do that. You shouldn't do that. And as a company, it should be a limit on how much you can order. It was people ordering like 4 or 5 pallets at once. Why do you have to be that fucking stingy? Okay. Okay. So I hear that it's gonna be at Ulta. I still really want the palette. When I went and got that, when I went and got the chocolate gold palette, my first intention was to go get the Jaclyn Hill palette. Now, I had already went to Ulta, and they said they didn't carry Morphe products, which I thought all Ultas carried Morphe products now. They didn't. So I had to go all the way on Rice. I live a little closer to Rice, but still ways. I had to go all the way on Rice, went all the way on Rice. They don't have it. She's like, but you can order it off the internet. And, oh, I'm about to say fuck this palette. But everybody talks about how good it is. I'm in a lot of Facebook beauty groups, and they're like, oh, I use the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I just strangle somebody. It's like, I just want this palette. That's all I want, really. Well, I do want the 32A too. I want that too. But I want this palette. But a part of me is starting to lose my juice for it. I'm starting to not give a damn. You're like, you know what, fuck that palette and fuck her. You know, I hate to be like that. But when you've tried so long, I mean, it's been 7 months, me trying to get this palette. And so, I'm gonna try one more time. One more time. Because I don't want to order online because I want to get it and like play with it as soon as I get it. Like I did this. And I don't want to pay shipping and all that. I just want to go buy it. So when I heard that Ulta, I was just like, oh, I'm going to go buy it. So that's my Jaclyn Hill palette, Saga. Yeah. But I am so happy with this. I'm going to zoom in so you can see it. I can't wait to play with all the other colors. I already have a couple ideas for new money. I want to do a whole Barbie kind of eye look thing. So I'm mostly going to do that. Now I want to do whole tutorials, but my camera is actually ran on batteries. So that's why I've done 2 whole tutorials and it's been a mess. My camera cuts off. So I'm just going to start doing eye tutorials for a second and not really do whole face tutorials. But now, you know, we have so much to play with. I'm going to try to get one more palette. There's a store here called the MUA Project that I need to go visit. So, well, thank you for watching. Peace and be wise.